Hooray! Thank God it's another day and another family gala. Super excited ang everyone to beat the heat this summer. At nandito nga kami ngayon sa Kinas Beach Resort, San Felipe, Zambales. After we have landed, to the supervising inspector ang peg ng Frizon. May I usisa each kubo in this place. Each kubo has its own bathroom dito sa ibaba. And as you can see, the place is clean and maganda ang vibes. Each kubo nga has its stove for cooking and mini lababo and faucet. Very convenient and easy to use, 'di ba? Lalo na sa kasama nyong kusinero o kusinera, 'di ba? And each kubo has its trash bin, kaya very clean ang place. They also have this karaoke machine na open for all the guests and it's for free. Kaya nga super happy ako at na-try ko na nga kumanta kani-kanina lang. Come and let's check the kubo. Nakapaglagay na nga ng gamit ang mga boys, kaya let's inspect na. Bubungad sa'yo ang upuan dyan sa harapan and there is also a table. And then glass yung kanyang doors. Pagpasok mo ng room ay may mga makikita kang aesthetic frames on the walls. Air-conditioned na rin ang room and it has a double-deck bed na kasya ang 4 to 5 persons. It also has its own CR, kaya walang problema kung magkasabay-sabay man kayong maligo from the sea to the bathroom. Kasi remember, may CR pa siya sa baba, di ba? March pa nga lang ay nagpa-reserve na kami ng rooms. We are all 10 persons, kaya 2 rooms ang napa-reserve namin at an affordable price. This is the single stove that I was telling you earlier, and the mini lababo and faucet. Talagang pack na pack to for your summer outing. Thank you for watching at ligong-ligo na ako.